In this video I want to fully expand x plus 4 over x to the 6, and I've added a 6th row to Pascal's triangle ready for this, so that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in the first row goes Pascal's triangle, so we have 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6 and 1. In the middle row I'm going to have the x, so x, 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 x and x. And then in the last row I've got 4 over x, so 4 over x, pop it in a bracket. So 4 over x, 4 over x, 4 over x, 4 over x, and we keep going, 4 over x, and 4 over x. Right, so if I'm going to go into ascending powers of x, as we would usually say, I would have this as 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, just remember, it doesn't matter which way round I put those. It really depends on if the question is saying in ascending powers of x or descending powers of x. Okay, that's where the real choice comes in. Sometimes it wouldn't say, and so both are precisely the same in the end. Okay, so we're going to multiply this through. Now we've got 1 times x to the 6 times 4 over x to the 0. Well, that's just going to be 1, so we're going to be left with the x to the 6. Okay. Now, here we've got 6 times x to the 5 times 4 over x. So 4 lots of 6 are 24. Okay. And then you've got this x to the 5 divided by x, so x to the 4. Then with this term, you've got 15 times x to the 4 times 4 over x squared. So that's 16 over x squared there. So we're going to have a 15 times 16, so 240. And you've got this x to the 4 divided by x squared. So you just get left with x squared. Now for this term, you've got 20 times x cubed times 4 over x cubed. So 20 times 4 cubed is 1,280. And you've got this x to the 3 divided by x to the 3, and so that's just 1. So we just have this constant term, 1,280. For this term, you've got 15 times 4 to the 4. So 15 times 4 to the 4 is 3,840. And we've got x squared divided by x to the 4. So that's x to the minus 2. Well, you could write this as 3,840 over x squared if you like. Then this next term, you've got 6 times 4 to the 5, which is 6,144. And you've got x divided by x to the 5, so x to the minus 4. And then finally, you've got this term here. So you've got this 4 to the power of 6, so 4,096. And it's x to the minus 6. Now I did say at the start that this is going to be in ascending powers of x, which it clearly isn't. So this is descending powers of x. But as I said, I mean, it doesn't really matter which way round you write it. But that's how you can work with this. And there have been questions in the past where you've been asked to find the constant term of expansions of this form, and there is your constant term, the 1,280, the term that doesn't have an x involved with it.